Ow. Oh, hello there. So, wait. Sorry, guys, I don't know what we are doing. Let me just get my computer real quick.
Hello everyone, this video is...
Oh, thanks, Jerry. Alright, let's get the vid moving. Hey, what's that? So, what we're doing is making a squishy thingy-mabob. So, let's get into it, yeah. Alright, so this is what we're doing. Sorry. First, get a metal rod like this. Now resize it into a cube. Copy it and put 3 more down. Once you've done that, turn on the grid. Put them into a square like this. Now get the squishy unbreakable rope and rope it together like this. Copy it again. And put 3 more down. Rope together like this. Oh yeah, I forgot. So select the 3 squishy-mabobs and disable gravity. You can make it bigger, but it'll take a bit long. Ooh, what's this? That's the end. Bye-bye.